my name is Sarah Segovia from Waitz Channel News, and today I have two special guests.
Hi, everybody. I'm Ms. Reina Garza, your campus principal.
And I'm Mrs. Lazos, your assistant principal.
Today we have a special treat that we're making. Thanksgiving is about spending time with your family and saying what you're grateful for. And Ms. Reina Garza is going to be making a pie.
We're so excited to be here. And yes, most definitely, one thing that Ms. Lazos and I truly enjoy during Thanksgiving is a good, scrumptious pumpkin pie. So today we are going to be demonstrating our easy pumpkin pie. And what are some of the ingredients that we tend to use, Mrs. Lazos?
Well, we are going to need some pumpkin pie mix. We're also going to need some carnation evaporation milk. We are going to need 2 large eggs. And don't forget your deep dish so that you can place everything in there. And that is basically all that we need. So as you can see, we're really not going to need a lot. It doesn't take a lot of items. So I know it's going to be...
There's one thing we do need, Mrs. Lazos. We need the pie crust.
True. Don't forget the pie crust, because if we don't have the crust, then what's going to happen to your pie? It's going to go all like. So yes, don't forget the pie crust.
So I'll start letting you make the pie.
Thank you. Okay, so what's going to be the first ingredient that we're going to add to this, Mrs. Lazos?
Okay, so the first thing that we're going to need is we're going to need 1 can of easy pumpkin pie mix. Make sure that you take off the lid.
What should you not forget when hosting Thanksgiving?
Oh my gosh, you should not forget the turkey. You cannot have Thanksgiving without a turkey.
How do you host a Thanksgiving dinner with you and your family members?
Oh, that's a wonderful question. In my household, it's just a couple of us, and we pretty much have the whole spread and food, but it's just like me, my husband, my daughter, my parents. So it's those small moments. We don't gather as we would used to in Dallas because of the pandemic, so we like to stay safe at home. How do you celebrate it, Mrs. Lazos?
Just like you, Ms. Reina Garza, I also celebrated with my family, with my immediate family, which are my daughters, my husband. And just like you do, we do not go out. It's a time when we have to spend time with our family, and it's a very valuable time. So staying at home and enjoying the cooking is one of the best ways. Now, in reference to the ingredients, once we put in the pumpkin pie mix, we do have to add the 3/4 evaporated milk.
Do you have some type of special desserts you eat with your family?
Oh, yes, we definitely do. Well, like we had said earlier on, our favorite dessert that we both enjoy eating is our pumpkin pie. But in my household, besides the pumpkin pie, I kind of have to, get a little bit of everything. It's either an apple pie or a pecan pie. Anything else?
We also like to do brownies at my house. So we add in some brownies and any other special type of cake. My favorite, I always love cake. And then, yeah, that's basically it. Now, going back to our pie, don't forget your 2 eggs that you have to crack open. And then you have to mix up so that you can add to your other ingredients. Karina, your pie is going to come out real good when you bake it at home.
My question is, what time of the day do you like to celebrate Thanksgiving?
Oh, that's a wonderful question. In my household, we have to make sure everything's ready to go right before the football game. That's been a tradition for many years now. And not only that, because, well, once you eat the turkey, then there's wonderful leftovers. So we tend to take a little break in between, and then we eat it again for dinner.
What about you, Miss Lazos?
Well, in my family, we also tend to eat at 12 noon. And one of the reasons why we do that is because right afterwards, we go visit family members. So we finish our turkey, and then we go attack their turkey as well. So that is our family tradition.
Thank you for answering some of our questions.
Before you start mixing, can I ask you one last question?
Yes, go ahead.
There's always something to be grateful for. So what are you grateful for?
I am definitely grateful for my family and the precious moments that we have on our daily lives. And these are the times that we need to be grateful for everything around us. Majority of the time, sometimes it's always like, I want this, I want that. But these are the times that you should spend with your family and telling them how much you love them and appreciate them.
That's beautiful.
I think we got it. I do like to use our vegetable oil so that way nothing gets stuck. There you go. Prep your oven, adult supervision. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees. I will go ahead and place that into my oven. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and monitor that.
1 hour later.
Is the pie ready yet?
I believe so. Let me go ahead and check. Yes, it is. Are we ready for the big reveal?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Here we go. Ooh. Here we go.
Right before we end this, we have a special surprise for you.
And here's our little surprise, our turkey dance.
Turkey, turkey, turkey dance, turkey, turkey, turkey dance, be happy, dance the turkey dance, turkey, turkey, turkey dance, turkey, turkey, turkey dance, be happy, dance the turkey dance, turkey, turkey, turkey dance, turkey, turkey, turkey dance, be happy, dance the